Hi everyone, you're welcome once more to NEPH. I'm your tutor, Mr. Fuki, and if you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome to this channel. Alright, do well to subscribe to the channel and share the link of the channel to somebody that needs to improve in your math. So today we have a problem on the board that says evaluate log, okay, root 3, okay, divide by what? Log 9. Alright, this is actually a simple problem, so without wasting much of our time, let's solve the question. Now you have to recall root 3 means what? 3 raised to the power what? Half. Okay, this sign means what? Power what? Half. So that's the first thing. So now the next thing is 9 here means what? It means 3 times 3, which means what? 3 what? Square. So we can impute, in place of this, we are going to put this, and in place of 9, we are going to put this. Let's quickly replace them. So we have this expression as what? Log, okay, 3 raised to the power half divided by what? Log 3 what? Square. Okay, so we have this. Now from this, we are going to apply the power of what? Number law of logarithm. What do I mean by the power of number law of logarithm? If I have, let's say we have log a raised to the power of n. Okay, the power of number, okay, law of logarithm is such that this power comes here, okay? So we have n multiplied by what? Log what? A. So with this, we are going to apply it since we have powers here. So we are going to have, this is going to come down here. So we have half log what? 3 divide. And this 2 is going to come down here. So we have 2 log what? 3. Okay? So from this, we can see that this can cancel out. This is 1, 1. Alright? So we are left with what? We are simply left with half. Okay? So we are left with half divided by what? 2. This is half divided by 2. I can write this as half. Of course, this is going to change to what? Multiplication. So we are going to reciprocate this. This will go up and this will come down. So we have this as 1 over 2. Alright? So the simple answer to this problem becomes 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is what? 4. So if we evaluate this, our answer to this problem is 1 over what? 4. Alright guys, hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share this video to somebody, maybe of your class. See you guys in my next one. Bye.